Followed by the author ng book, si Miss Alessandra Marie. Ayan, oh, di ba? Wait lang for, for the other cast. Oh, ang ganda ng trailer. Later on, we get to see it. Let's welcome the director, Direk Andoy Ranay. Direk Andoy. Oh, I miss this guy. And happy seeing him here again in ABS-CBN for this movie. Si Direk Andoy. And of course, congrats sa Direk Andoy. He is also the director of the same blockbuster movie ng Jadine, which is Diary ng Pangit.
Tragedy.
Okay, si Direk Kumabate. Please another cast. Yasi Pressman. Ayan, love natin to kasi Pressman, di ba press tayo? Diyos, wali. Chika lang yun. Ayan, at least nakakatuwa naman. Direk Andoy. Okay, ayan na si Yasi.
Hindi sila makanali.
And of course, please welcome one of the three lead actors of the movie, Joseph Marco! Ayan, naglalakad sa red carpet na walang carpet. Chika. At least red naman ang couch, di ba? Ayun yung padaani. Harangit. And of course, we are seen live worldwide right now sa ABS-CBN chat. We have a live streaming happening right now. We are seen everywhere. Nako, everywhere, oh. Okay, hi Joseph. And of course, Nadine Lustre. Napakalakas ng following sa social media nitong si Nadine. Ayan siya. And of course, ito rin natin, James Reid! Parang pumutok yata boses ko. Ayan, kompleto na po ang lead actors ng Talk Back and You're Dead. Grand nationwide opening, August 20, from Viva Entertainment, Viva Films, and Skylight. Ayan, another partnership happening right now. This is Viva and Skylight, okay? Can we have Joseph na dito? Ay, sorry, si James. Siya naman ako. Yay! Ano, matapos yung sundan doon, nandito naman kayo. Hindi na tayo mag-press con. Ayan. Pakitaan naman yung madaanin nyo!
Until panel to A-Band. You're dead! August 20 in cinema.
Mabuti pang tumigil ka na. Ikakasal ka sa iba.
I'm so dead.
Okay! Diba? Ibang dating, another offering from Skylight and Viva Films. And of course, I'd like to turn over to Tita Ethel. Ayan, Tita Ethel, let's go. Babatiin. Okay, sabi Tita Ethel,